stock steps are fine if you're into stock things, but we're going to upgrade to something more durable and more utilitarian and, quite frankly, better looking. So let's get the truck up on the lift and install our AL2 drop steps. First, let's remove these factory steps. If your truck didn't come with factory steps, they're going to be dust plugs over the threaded step holes on the rocker. Simply remove those. You can skip the removal step and go straight to install. Factory steps out of the way, now we can install AL2 with the supplied 12mm bolt. If you got an extra set of hands to get it started, it's going to help. We'll see if I can do it without those. All right, so I'm going to set this place on the rack, come around, lift it up, and start the bolts for the center bracket. Once I've got that loose, I'll go to the front, put those in, rear, put those in. There's a little bit of leeway. The mounting points are slotted on the brackets. Get it where I want it, tighten it down. Luckily, the AL stands for aluminum, and these are nice and light. Get that first one started. Second. Where it can hold itself up. Grab the other hardware, get the front and the rear started, tighten down. So the rough country steps are great because they are an easy, stylish upgrade. You can do this in the driveway, 30 minutes to an hour. Completely change the look of your truck. And completely change the ability to get in and out of it. 12 bolts total, 6 per side. We've got the brand new look and functionality, easy to install, looks great. What else can I say? With the AL2 steps from rough country installed, we've got a much more aggressive look, much more customized look over the factory step. Not only that, we've got a surface that's going to grip a boot better than the factory plastic surface.